Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you cannot make this change at this moment. So guys, if you're trying to make some changes on your Facebook account on your iPhone but you see this message and you are unable to make the changes, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your Facebook account, and from here tap on your menu button, and from here you have to simply go to your settings and privacy, and from here tap on settings, and from here tap on account center, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on password and security, and now tap on two-factor authentication, and from here select your Facebook account, and from here you have to simply enter your Facebook password, and after this you have to turn on two-factor authentication on your Facebook account from here. So let's turn on two-factor authentication, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to again open password and security, and from here tap on change password and select your profile and change the password for your Facebook account for one time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to make changes in your Facebook account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.